Hey, let me show you one of the accommodation options here at Derby. These halls are a 2-minute walk from the city centre, meaning it's really easy to get to and from the university. Follow me. Derby provides all of the basics for your room, the bed, the storage, the desk. Then you can personalise your space how you want to. There's everything that you need in the room. There's the ensuite, which has the toilet and the shower. There's a place to sleep and a place to study. We even have cleaners on site, which are included in the cost. So this is the kitchen space. It has everything that you could need. There's the fridge freezer, there's the toaster, the cooker, the kettle and the microwave. And there's always a space to eat too, which is really great. Come on, we'll show you the laundry area. So this is our main social space. There's always something going on in here. If you don't feel like venturing out of the block, there's loads to do in the building. So that's everything to show you. A few of us are going to go and get some food now if you want to join us.